What if you had only a backpack and one night to survive in the wilderness? Every ounce of weight would matter, and every piece of gear would have to earn its place. Modern survival equipment has come a long way from bulky tools and oversized packs. Today's outdoor adventurers have access to compact, lightweight gadgets that can purify water, cook food, start fires, generate electricity, and even send emergency signals, all while adding very little weight to their load. Number 15. Ultralight Titanium Folding Spork. Every experienced camper knows that even the smallest piece of equipment can make a big difference in the outdoors. One of the simplest yet smartest survival tools you can carry is an ultralight titanium folding spork. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary utensil, but its lightweight construction and compact folding design make it an essential addition to any camping kit. Titanium is one of the strongest materials available for outdoor gear. Despite weighing only around 20 grams, a titanium spork is incredibly durable. It won't rust, bend easily, or absorb odors like plastic utensils. Unlike disposable cutlery, it can withstand years of heavy use without losing its strength. Many modern versions feature a folding handle that reduces their pack size by nearly half, allowing them to fit inside compact cooking kits or even small pockets. Some models even include a bottle opener or serrated cutting edge, making them surprisingly versatile for everyday camping tasks. Imagine arriving at your campsite after hiking all day. You've boiled water, prepared a dehydrated meal, and now realize you've forgotten your utensils. Instead of improvising with sticks, your lightweight titanium spork handles every meal with ease. It can stir hot soups, scoop rice, eat pasta, and even cut softer foods without any trouble. Number 14. Credit Card Multi-Tool. Imagine carrying an entire toolbox inside your wallet. That's exactly what a modern credit card multi-tool is designed to do. Thin enough to slide into a standard card slot, yet packed with useful features. This lightweight survival gadget is perfect for campers who value efficiency and preparedness. Made from hardened stainless steel or titanium alloy, these tools typically weigh less than 50 grams while incorporating numerous functions into a single flat design. Depending on the model, you might find screwdrivers, hex wrenches, rulers, can openers, bottle openers, cord cutters, spoke keys, and even small pry tools integrated into one compact plate. During a camping trip, problems often arise when you least expect them. A loose stove screw, damaged tent hardware, or stubborn food can quickly become frustrating if you don't have the proper tools nearby. Instead of carrying multiple heavy items, a credit card multi-tool gives you access to many of the most commonly needed functions without taking up valuable backpack space. Because of its slim profile, many campers store it inside their first aid kit or emergency wallet, ensuring it's always available when needed. It's particularly useful as a backup tool in situations where your primary multi-tool may be inaccessible or forgotten. Number 13. Portable Water Filter Straw. Water is the single most important resource for survival, yet natural water sources can contain harmful bacteria, parasites, and microscopic contaminants. That's why a portable water filter straw has become one of the most trusted lightweight survival tools for campers around the world. Most modern filter straws weigh less than 60 grams and can easily fit into a jacket pocket or side pouch of a backpack. Despite their small size, they use advanced hollow fiber membrane technology capable of filtering thousands of liters of water before replacement becomes necessary. Using one couldn't be easier. Simply place the intake end into a stream, lake, or river and drink directly through the straw. As water passes through the internal filtration system, harmful microorganisms are trapped while clean drinking water reaches you almost instantly. Imagine hiking deep into the mountains on a hot summer afternoon. Your water bottles are nearly empty, but you discover a flowing stream nearby. Instead of risking untreated water, your portable filter straw allows you to safely hydrate within seconds, potentially preventing dehydration and waterborne illness. Number 12. Emergency Thermal Bivvie Sleeping Bag. Few survival situations become dangerous faster than exposure to cold temperatures. Even during mild weather, unexpected rain, strong winds, or nighttime temperature drops can quickly lead to hypothermia. That's why the Emergency Thermal Bivvie Sleeping Bag is considered one of the smartest lightweight survival tools available today. Unlike traditional sleeping bags that can weigh several pounds, an emergency bivvie is incredibly compact and usually weighs between 100 and 150 grams. Folded down, it's about the size of a soda can, making it easy to carry in any backpack or emergency kit. Constructed from reflective heat-retaining materials, the bivvie reflects up to 90% of your body heat back toward you. Instead of allowing warmth to escape into the cold night air, it traps valuable heat, while providing protection from wind and moisture. Number 11. Rechargeable plasma lighter. Fire is one of the most important elements of outdoor survival. It keeps you warm during cold nights, allows you to cook food safely, boil drinking water, and can even serve as an emergency signal. While traditional matches and disposable lighters have been trusted for decades, they also come with limitations. Matches become useless when wet, and fuel-based lighters can run out of gas at the worst possible moment. That's where the rechargeable plasma lighter proves its value. Unlike conventional lighters, a plasma lighter doesn't produce a flame. Instead, it creates a high-temperature electric arc capable of instantly igniting dry tinder, paper, wood shavings, cotton, and many other fire-starting materials. Because there is no open flame, strong winds have little effect on its performance, making it a dependable option in challenging outdoor conditions. Most plasma lighters weigh less than 3 ounces and easily fit into a shirt pocket or survival pouch. Their rugged metal housings are designed to withstand rough handling, while waterproof and dust-resistant models provide additional protection for harsh environments. A sealed lid also helps prevent moisture from damaging the internal electronics. Number 10. Mini Titanium Survival Stove. Cooking outdoors doesn't require carrying a heavy camping stove anymore. Thanks to modern engineering, the Mini Titanium Survival Stove offers a lightweight solution that combines durability, efficiency, and portability in one compact package. Constructed entirely from premium titanium, these stoves often weigh between 6 and 10 ounces while supporting surprisingly heavy cookware. Titanium's excellent strength-to-weight ratio allows manufacturers to build strong cooking systems that won't rust, warp, or corrode even after years of outdoor use. Most models feature folding panels that collapse into a flat shape, taking up very little space inside a backpack. Assembly requires only a few seconds, making it ideal for quick meal preparation after a long day of hiking. One of the biggest advantages is fuel flexibility. Instead of carrying heavy fuel canisters, many titanium survival stoves burn natural materials such as dry twigs, pine cones, bark, leaves, and small branches collected around your campsite. This reduces pack weight while giving you nearly unlimited cooking fuel in forested environments. Picture yourself camping beside a quiet mountain lake. Rather than unpacking bulky gas equipment, you gather a handful of dry sticks from the forest floor, assemble your titanium stove, and within minutes you're boiling water for coffee, preparing dehydrated meals, or cooking freshly caught fish. Number 9. Pocket Chainsaw. Cutting firewood is one of the most physically demanding tasks during camping, especially if you don't have access to a full-sized saw. That's where the pocket chainsaw becomes one of the smartest lightweight additions to your survival kit. Despite weighing only around 5 to 7 ounces, this compact tool can cut through surprisingly thick branches and small logs using nothing more than human power. Unlike a rigid saw, the pocket chainsaw consists of a flexible chain fitted with aggressive bidirectional cutting teeth and durable handles at each end. Using it is straightforward. Wrap the chain around a branch or log, grip both handles firmly, and pull back and forth with smooth, steady movements. The sharpened teeth bite into the wood from both directions, creating fast, controlled cuts while requiring relatively little effort. Imagine reaching camp just before sunset. You need enough firewood to cook dinner and stay warm overnight, but only fallen branches are available. Instead of struggling to break thick limbs by hand, your pocket chainsaw quickly processes them into manageable pieces, allowing you to build an efficient campfire before darkness sets in. High-quality versions use heat-treated carbon steel or stainless steel chains that remain sharp even after repeated use. Some models also feature self-cleaning tooth designs that reduce clogging when cutting fresh wood. Number 8. Foldable Solar Charger. Modern outdoor adventures often depend on electronic devices. GPS units, smartphones, emergency beacons, cameras, headlamps, and rechargeable survival tools all require reliable power. Instead of carrying multiple heavy battery packs, many experienced campers now rely on foldable solar chargers. These innovative charging systems use high-efficiency solar panels that fold into a compact package while weighing as little as 1 pound. When unfolded under direct sunlight, they capture solar energy and convert it into electricity capable of charging USB-powered devices almost anywhere. Imagine spending 4 or 5 days deep in the wilderness without access to electricity. Your phone battery is nearly depleted, your GPS has been running continuously, and your rechargeable plasma lighter needs more power. Instead of worrying about conserving every percentage of battery life, you simply unfold your solar charger across a sunny rock, backpack, or tent roof while relaxing at camp. Throughout the afternoon, the sunlight quietly restores power to your essential electronics. Number 7. ultralight inflatable sleeping pad. After a long day of hiking through forests, climbing rocky trails, or crossing rivers, getting quality sleep becomes one of the most important parts of your outdoor adventure. Many campers focus on buying a good sleeping bag, but overlook one critical piece of gear: the sleeping pad. An ultralight inflatable sleeping pad not only adds comfort, but also provides essential insulation between your body and the cold ground. Modern sleeping pads are engineered with advanced ripstop nylon and TPU-coated fabrics, making them extremely lightweight while remaining durable enough to withstand rough terrain. Most premium models weigh between 350 and 600 grams and pack down to roughly the size of a 1-liter water bottle. Despite their compact size, they inflate into a full-length sleeping surface several inches thick. The biggest advantage isn't simply comfort, it's temperature regulation. Even during summer camping, the ground absorbs body heat surprisingly quickly. Without insulation underneath you, your body continuously loses warmth throughout the night, making restful sleep difficult. An inflatable sleeping pad creates a thermal barrier that helps retain your body heat while cushioning pressure points such as your shoulders, hips, and lower back. Imagine hiking over 10 miles before reaching your campsite. You're exhausted, temperatures are dropping, and the ground is uneven and covered with small rocks. Instead of sleeping directly on the hard surface, you remove your sleeping pad, inflate it in less than a minute using the built-in pump sack or integrated foot pump, and instantly transform your sleeping area into a much more comfortable resting place. Number 6. Compact emergency radio. When you're camping miles away from the nearest town, losing communication with the outside world can become a serious concern. Severe weather, natural disasters, trail closures, or emergency alerts can develop without warning. That's why a compact emergency radio is considered one of the smartest lightweight survival tools you can carry. One of the most valuable features is its ability to receive official weather broadcasts. Before setting out on a hike or settling into camp for the night, checking weather updates allows you to prepare for incoming storms, strong winds, or rapidly changing temperatures. Early warning can give you valuable time to secure your tent, relocate to safer ground, or postpone a dangerous hike. Power versatility is another major advantage. Many emergency radios include rechargeable lithium batteries, hand crank generators, solar panels, and replaceable AA battery options. Even if every battery is exhausted, turning the hand crank for just a few minutes can generate enough electricity to receive weather updates or make an emergency phone call using the built-in USB output. Imagine spending several days in a remote forest when an unexpected storm system begins moving toward your location. Cell service is unavailable, but your emergency radio receives the latest weather bulletin warning of heavy rainfall and strong winds. Instead of being caught by surprise, you move your campsite to higher ground, reinforce your shelter, and avoid potential flooding. Number 5. Rechargeable LED headlamp. As soon as the sun disappears below the horizon, even familiar campsites become challenging to navigate. Setting up a tent, preparing dinner, collecting firewood, or simply walking to retrieve water becomes much more difficult without reliable lighting. That's where a rechargeable LED headlamp proves its worth. Imagine arriving at camp later than expected. The last rays of sunlight have disappeared, and you still need to pitch your tent, prepare dinner, and organize your equipment. Instead of holding a flashlight in one hand while trying to work with the other, your headlamp illuminates exactly where you're looking, allowing you to complete every task with confidence. Rechargeable lithium batteries provide impressive runtime, often lasting many hours depending on brightness settings. Many models recharge using USB-C cables, making them compatible with portable power banks and foldable solar chargers. Waterproof construction and impact-resistant housings ensure dependable performance during rainstorms, river crossings, and accidental drops. Number 4. Tactical survival shovel. At first glance, carrying a shovel on a backpacking trip might sound excessive. However, modern tactical survival shovels are nothing like the heavy garden tools most people imagine. Thanks to aircraft-grade aluminum and high-strength steel construction, today's folding survival shovels deliver exceptional versatility while remaining surprisingly lightweight. Many survival shovels also incorporate additional tools into their modular design. Depending on the model, you may find an axe edge, saw blade, hammer surface, bottle opener, glass breaker, wire cutter, magnesium fire starter, compass, whistle, or even a removable survival knife stored inside the handle. Imagine arriving at your campsite just before a storm begins. Rainwater starts flowing toward your tent, threatening to soak your sleeping gear. Within minutes, your folding shovel allows you to dig a shallow drainage channel that redirects the water away from your shelter, keeping your equipment dry throughout the night. During winter camping, The same shovel becomes invaluable for clearing snow, constructing emergency shelters, or freeing stuck vehicle tires. Number 3. Portable water purifier bottle. When you're miles away from civilization, staying hydrated is essential, but carrying enough clean water for several days can add significant weight to your backpack. That's why the portable water purifier bottle has become one of the smartest innovations in modern camping and survival gear. Combining a reusable water bottle with an advanced purification system, it allows campers to collect water from natural sources and drink with confidence. Unlike a standard bottle, a purifier bottle features a built-in multi-stage filtration system. Depending on the model, it may use activated carbon, hollow fiber membranes, ion exchange technology, or UVC purification to reduce bacteria, protozoa, sediments, unpleasant odors, and even some viruses. Many premium bottles can purify thousands of liters of water before the filter needs replacement. Despite this advanced technology, most purifier bottles weigh between 300 and 500 grams and are designed to fit easily into backpack side pockets. Their durable BPA-free construction is built to withstand rough outdoor conditions, making them suitable for camping, hiking, travel, and emergency preparedness. Imagine you're exploring a remote mountain trail during a warm afternoon. Your water supply is nearly gone, but you discover a clear stream flowing nearby. Instead of worrying about unsafe drinking water, you simply fill your purifier bottle, allow the filtration system to do its work, and continue your hike with fresh drinking water in minutes. There's no need to carry heavy water reserves from the trailhead, reducing your pack weight while extending your travel range. Many modern models also feature insulated walls that help keep water cool during hot weather, leak-proof lids, integrated carrying loops, and measurement markings for meal preparation or hydration tracking. Some bottles even include replaceable filter cartridges that can be swapped out during long expeditions. Number 2. GPS Satellite Messenger. Cell phones have become essential travel companions, but their usefulness quickly disappears once you're beyond the reach of mobile networks. In remote mountains, deep forests, deserts, or isolated wilderness areas, there may be little or no signal available. A GPS satellite messenger solves this problem by providing communication and navigation almost anywhere on Earth. These compact devices usually weigh between 100 and 250 grams, making them light enough for backpackers while delivering life-saving capabilities. Unlike smartphones that rely on cellular towers, satellite messengers communicate directly with global satellite networks, allowing users to send messages, share their location, and trigger emergency rescue services even in the most remote environments. One of the most valuable features is the dedicated SOS button. If you're injured, lost, or facing a life-threatening emergency, activating the SOS function sends your GPS coordinates to an emergency response coordination center. Rescue teams can then determine your exact location and organize assistance much faster than if they had to search blindly across miles of wilderness. Imagine hiking through a remote mountain range when a sudden rock slide causes a serious leg injury. Walking becomes impossible, and there's no cell signal. Number 1. Premium Survival Multi-Tool. Every outdoor adventure presents unexpected challenges. One moment you're tightening loose camping gear, the next you're cutting rope, preparing food, repairing equipment, opening supplies, or building an emergency shelter. Carrying individual tools for every possible situation would quickly overload your backpack. That's exactly why a premium survival multi-tool earns the number 1 spot on our countdown. A high-quality multi-tool combines numerous essential functions into one compact device, typically weighing between 200 and 350 grams. Crafted from hardened stainless steel or titanium, these tools are built to withstand years of demanding outdoor use while resisting corrosion and wear. Most premium models include needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, straight-edge knives, serrated blades, wood saws, scissors, screwdrivers, can openers, bottle openers, files, rulers, awls, and various bit drivers. Some advanced versions even feature replaceable wire cutting blades, spring-loaded pliers, safety locks, and one-handed opening mechanisms for faster operation.